Hello guys, and see, I'm here to teach you SST Standard 1 Chapter 2, and chapter name is Myself. So in last videos I have given you some informations about that you have to make one, because you just came from UKG to 1 and you don't have any ideas about this, that how to write and these all things. So if old students, then they know me. If some students are new, for them I'm always a new, because before the summer vacation I'm teaching you through the link, but after the summer vacation I'm teaching you like a videos online classes. And I told that please don't go outside, it's better that you can be inside at home and you can be attend your online classes. And I might guess that you are just understood the chapter whatever I am speaking. The first chapter I think you understood, and I will whatever the homework I will give, I will upload on that Hertford International School, that you can watch it. And please write down first of all the date, chapter name, and then new words and whatever the answers are there. Please you can write down, but it should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting. And I want all the homeworks whenever this school will finish, and once the school will open, you have to face me and you have to show me all the homework. So it's better that you have a lots of time, so you can enjoy your times with family also, and you can complete your homework at time also. So in last videos I told that please take your pencil and then you can sit in front of me with your book. If you don't have book, then please write down it in your copy. So I told in last video about myself. I show you two pictures, one girl and one boy. That boy's name is Yash and he's 6 years old and he loves playing football. And one girl whose name is Shreya, she's 6 years old and she loves painting. In fact, both has weared some special cards that tells about them everything, like names, class, roll number, address, everything tells that in which school they read. And so that card are known as identity card, or we can say that ID card. And most children wear this ID card when they go to school, because it's preferred always to school, but when you will go to the college, it always preferred on the college also. And I told that I will help you to do this identity card. So let's go. Here is one box is there, like my identity card. In one box here is there one photo. You have to paste your photo in book. So first of all you fill this, and then after we will post, you can just paste your photos here. My identity card, first is name, NAME. So first you can put your name. What's your name? Suppose my name is Arpita, then in place of name I'm putting my name, and you have to put your name. Suppose your name is like Rohit, then Shubham, then whatever your name is there, you have to put in name corner. Name blank is there. Write down first. I think you guys have written. Then second one is age. How much old years old you are, like 6 years, 5 years, 7 years. So how many A's are there, you have to write down. In numbers also you can write, no problem, or you can write in mathematics like 6, no any problem, you can write anyway. So do it fast. I think you guys have written. Next is I am dash. If you are a boy, then write boy. If those girls are watching the videos, then write down the girl. So if you are a girl, then write down the girl. If you are a boy, then write down the boy. So I am a girl. Suppose I am a girl, I'm writing here girl. So I am a girl. Next, I was born on. What's your birth date? Birth date and year. So I was born on, you have to put your birth date, month and year. Suppose I born in like 5, then I put the 5. Month is March, April, May, whatever the month is there, and the year. So you have to put down the month, date, months and year. Next is I study in. So in which school you are studying? Like suppose you study in Hertford International School, I know that most of the students don't know the spelling of Hertford International School, so I'm going to tell you. Please write down. Write down like H is in capital letter. So HERTFORD. Hertford. It's not a two words, it's a one word. Again I'm repeating. H is in capital. HERTFORD. Hertford. International spelling. Again I is in capital. INTERNATIONAL. International. Again I am repeating. INTERNATIONAL. International. Hertford International School spelling. It is written in the bracket so that you can write down school spelling from there. Next is I study in. So I am teaching standard 1, so you just write down 1. I study in class 1. Next is my address is. So where you are living, you just write down the address name. Next page is, we all like to do things that we love. Suppose I likes to teaching. I like to teach. I like the dancing. So some people they likes to do some things that we like most of all in our favorite things. Like some activities are there that we like that is our most favorite things. It could be maybe first is eating food. Some people they likes to eat lots of food. Coloring some things. Someone wants to like dancing. Someone wants to reading, or someone wants to do another activities like to go outside and to play and these all things. So here is what, color your favorite activities or activity below. Here is 6 activities. So you have to color it your favorite activities. Here you see I am showing you the 6 activities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in these activities, which one is your favorite? You have to color it in your book. First is what? With the help of sand, they are making the sand castle. Second, the girl is planting the water. Third is what? A girl is dancing. Next, one girl is playing the football. Next, one boy is playing a cricket. And next, one boy is playing. He's reading the book. So which activities is your favorite? You have to color it that activities in your book. It may be one or more than one, so you can color it. Not all, what the activities you like, that you can color it. Next page, let us see what you like to eat. Draw and color your favorite foods here. So in these sections, just see here is one section. Which is your favorite food? Like chapatis, rice, whatever the healthy foods is your favorite food and what you like to eat. That picture you have to write down, and please write down the name also, and you have to color it with your favorite color. So your favorite food you have to color it here, and please draw it and color it. Next is paste pictures of who you would want to be like when you grow up. Suppose if you grow you want to become like of others. You have some inspirations like your mother, your sisters. So you have to paste their picture that when you will grow you want to be like that. So you have to paste their picture. Yes, the chapter has completed, and I think that you guys had understood the chapter about myself, and I have given you some activities also. So see how interesting I am teaching you. Activities plus studies plus homework, these all. So don't take tension, just be happy and just enjoy your vacation, as well as you can enjoy your online classes. And the homework again I will upload these in Hertford International School link, so you can go there and you can just take your homework from there. If you have the book, please write down the new words. It is written here 3 new words. Special, identity card, favorite. Please write down the new words. Then after exercise that I will give you, so that you can copy it from in your copy. So thank you and have a nice day. Again, I will back tomorrow to teach you one interesting story, one new chapter, that our body, but tomorrow. So please watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.